As always, free shed plans from the Jamaica Cottage Shop from Vermont. They are down below. And if we're having any hands-on workshops, that information is down below in the description too.
Hey, what's up, guys? DeekRelaxShacks.com. Coming at you from a tree house. Yes, I've been painting too, as you can see. Here's the other hand. Anyway, I've been filming the progress step by step of this treehouse as we've been going along, and that will be a couple videos down the road. But I want to show you kind of a teaser as to what's going on. Not complete just yet, but I'm getting excited towards the end of this project, and I want to share with you guys. So lots more of this coming on the way. We might be doing some workshops. I'm still hemming and hawing, debating if I want to do Tiny House Summer Camp in September because I'm so busy, but I think I might. So keep checking RelaxShacks.com too, and let me show you what's happening. Oh yeah, gotta give them some love. I like DeWalt, but I like Milwaukee a little better. This one I've been using for a while. The fuel stuff, you know, the lithium ion batteries with them too, they last a long time. The core of the circular saws are awesome. You can see I've beaten the heck out of this one. It's fallen out of trees, it's been run over, it still works beautifully. So people wondering what I use for tools, that's it. I'll do this quick before the battery conks out. This is just a found material art piece, and a counterweight system with a weight I found on the side of the road that self-closes the door. We have that in other videos. I've done that a bunch of times at tree houses. But I want to show you some reuse stuff going on, and I'm not going to show you the outside of the treehouse. That will come in several other videos. This thing is far from done too. First of all, reuse option item number one. I had a tiny house I bought. It's in my book, Micro Living. It was built into pallets. This was the stairway or ladderway in that tiny house. And when I upgraded the house before I sold it, I built a new ladderway that I liked the look of, that was more space efficient, but saved this one. And lo and behold, I found a use for it. It fit perfectly between that little stud here and that one. I haven't put my trim in here. That's see the shoddy paint work. We'll fix that later. Lots to do. So that was reused. It's been sitting in my shed for a while, and I kind of kept it for this or for such a purpose. This right here is kind of cool. I haven't finished the railing on the other side. This is like a little bunk loft area for kids to sleep in. That back stuff, by the way, this greenhouse polycarbonate paneling, this is Tough Tex from Andorra. I use it all the time, love the stuff, talk about it in all my books. And these come in 4x8 sheets. The whole corner of this treehouse room, the floors will be painted later, maybe a carpet in here. Brings in so much natural light because of that double-celled kind of double-layered stuff. This here, though, is a plant stand I found on the side of the road. And I saw it, I'm like, this is kind of ornate, nice, stained kind of in a sexy manner, but I don't need a plant stand. So I tore the legs off it, put it in my shed, and knew I would use it as a railing for a little bunk. And I've been working in the rain. It's miserable outside right now. But this has the two-tone stain. Someone took the time to build it. It was on the side of the road being chucked. So I figure, why the heck not? I will make use of that. And it looks pretty darn cool. Very modern, simple. More Tough Tex up there. We have a very slight pitch in this roof, which is all we need. There's actually Andorra roofing on top of it. Been doing some painting, as you saw today. Down here is another one, needs some touch up. I find dresser drawers on the side of the road all the time, and I simply take a couple spare planks, screw them in place. I gotta it's not bad paint right now, it's just dusty because I've been cutting a lot of wood in here. Gotta clean it up, maybe touch up some paint. And it's a little shelf because I might, maybe not, I don't know. I'm kind of going overboard with this job already, doing all these things I didn't even promise I would do. I might put a little desk in here. It'd be kind of neat. You know, just a little decor, a little desk, writing spot next to this giant window overlooking this awesome pond. And I haven't put in this big Tough Tex swing window here just yet either. A couple salvage windows from the side of the road. This one doesn't have the latch on it just yet, but you know, swings open. The reason I put it, and we'll talk about this in the other video step by step. The reason I put this one that swings open up high is because kids are using this treehouse. There will be a built-in railing system here when this swings open, but I don't want kids to push open a lower window and lean out of it. This one does not open. It's statically mounted. This one swings open. This way, on the higher end of the treehouse, so to speak, you can vent out. Hot air rises, vent out this place. Heck of a lot better. And that's about it. Door, I gotta touch up the paint because I've been banging around in here quite a bit. This was from a house in one of the old videos on the Relax Shacks channel. We salvaged a bunch of doors, if you saw that one, for the 1800s. And I chipped up the paint a little bit, gonna fix that. And again, lots of trim has to go in here and there to clean things up quite a bit. some giant pallet boards. There's stuff everywhere I've just salvaged and recycled, repurposed, just to save some money and give it some funk, individual character, and to kind of beat the system and keep that stuff out of a landfill. Oh yeah, save this sucker off a slider too. As for the weight mechanism, that's basically how it works. You can see it descends as the door shuts. And again, that's really killing me, the chip paint. I might repaint the whole door. Well, I'm gonna. But that's part of the battle. An exciting video? Probably not, but thank you guys for watching regardless. Because I know there's 5,082 other channels out there that have more time to devote to making videos than I do. I just want to share some of the knowledge, some of the ideas, some of the inspiration perhaps, and maybe it might inspire you guys. And thank you for watching. Like I said, as always, please subscribe, and we will see you later.